In the era of mobile devices and web development, you can frequently hear about responsive web design. What is it and how does it work? Responsive web design means that websites are transparent for every user and adapt to each device. Such a design is supposed to ensure that page layout is automatically adjusted to the browser. It facilitates website navigation on every mobile device. When it comes to online stores, it enables convenient shopping regardless of the location of the customer. The style and look of the page remains the same. Thanks to responsive web design, you'll be ranked higher in Google. The website is more attractive for algorithms, which translates into better position in the search results. Page content is readable and transparent without zooming in and out or sacrificing the quality. Responsive web design makes it possible to use one website version. It's not necessary to create different pages for different devices. Responsive websites benefit from hyperlinks, thanks to which you don't have to waste time to copy, for example, a phone number or a link. One click is enough to be automatically redirected to the appropriate site. Today, almost everyone has a smartphone or a mobile device with internet access. Thus, the vast majority of modern websites are responsive. Facilitated menu navigation and transparency will encourage users to visit your website more frequently.